Yo, what up everybody? So this is actually my official day of uploading my first short video in the new channel. I actually did publish three videos in the last month, so that's really for test, nothing else. So I'm really right now dedicated to the channel. So yeah, today I'm going to officially publish this video into this channel, and I really made a plan. So the goal is that I'll have a complete monetized channel by the end of this month, hopefully. So yeah, with that goal ahead, I'm really going forward with that. I just accomplished editing one video. Right now I'm going to upload this video into the channel to see if I can monetize this faceless short channel by the end of this month. There you go. Yeah, so this is the video. So actually this video is about North Korea, like why North Korea is so impoverished compared to South Korea. All right, so this is how I upload my short video. I actually have another short channel, which which I have began 15 days ago and I really have seen significant progress. 54K views, 170 subscriber, and almost 400 hours watch time, which is like pretty cool, honestly. All right, let's not talk about it. There you go. So I got this title, why South Korea is 100 times richer than North Korea, which I'm going to copy. Yeah, I really got help from ChatGPT, and I really do that often because it's great, like ChatGPT is great. There you go. Yeah, it looks perfect. This title, why South Korea is 100 times richer than North Korea. And about this, going down to description, or I took the help from ChatGPT about this description. Where is that? Yeah, there you go. I made this concise short description from ChatGPT, so which I'm going to copy and paste. There you go. The title and the description is ready for the short video, and believe it or not, for the short video description is not like you don't have to think too much about description, but make sure the title is compelling and short. The title is really compelling, and so your audience just like it makes your audience to click on the video. So it should be really so catchy and so flashy. All right, so this is the title and the description that I have come up with up until now, and I think right now all I'm left to do is I have to add some hashtags to increase the potential of the video. So about hashtags, I think I'm gonna take shorts. All right, so I choose shorts and North Korea for this title, as a hashtag. I think that's gonna be perfect. Money matters. Yeah, so all right, I have done with my title, description, and hashtags. So 80% of the work is done. Right now all I gotta do is to generate some tags, which don't play a significant role compared to title and description, but I'm gonna do it anyway because that allows your video to be discovered by your audience. Now right now tags. So for tags, I think I'm gonna go and ask ChatGPT to generate some tags. All right, now there you go. So I asked ChatGPT to generate me some tags, which it did. Right now I'm gonna go on. All right, so I'm not right now I'm gonna hit publish because the video is ready to upload, and to see how it goes. There you go. And anyways, I'll guys keep you up to date about the channel, like my progress and like the accomplishment I've made. Like I want to document my journey along the process. All right, so that is the end of the video. I'll guys see you in the next one.